So guys, in this video I want to talk about EaseMoni loan app and EaseMoni loan app, if it's legit, scam, more about EaseMoni and much more. So follow me, and as I walk you through everything you should know about the EaseMoni app. So hello guys, welcome to another video in this channel. So if you have not subscribed, do endeavor to subscribe, hit the comment, hit the like button, share, comment, so that YouTube can recommend this video to your friends and others. So in this video I'm going to talk about more about EaseMoni loan app, how to download the app, if EaseMoni app is legit or scam, more about EaseMoni. So if you are ready to join me in, let's get started. So on my screen right now, you're going to be seeing the EaseMoni loan app review. Okay, so on the EaseMoni loan app, but first of all, before I head start talking about the EaseMoni loan app, I want to make a disclaimer, because what I'm talking about is about financial institute or a financial enterprise. So I have to give my disclaimer. So I'm not an official EaseMoni agent or official against money EaseMoni. So first, this video was created for educational purpose only. Please contact your financial advisor for consulting and help, and the platform for future inquiry. We will never ask for your personal information such as credit card, BVN or bank PIN. Beware of scammer in the comment section pretend to be an official account. Comment with caution. By DoSuggest digital. Okay, yeah, this is what I'm trying to say is this. We will never ask for your personal information in comment section. Please disregard any comment asking you to provide your information. If you have any issue with EaseMoni, contact the official EaseMoni loan app so that they can support and assist you more. Thank you very much. So next on our list is what is EaseMoni? What is EaseMoni? So EaseMoni is a loan lending finance service in Nigeria. EaseMoni is a loan finance service app in Nigeria. It's a Nigerian loan service provider that enable you to apply for instant loan at anytime, anywhere. Basically, it is a loan app that provide loan for you without you needing any form of collateral or even going to physical office. All you have to do is just to download the EaseMoni app, and you have access to loan when you fill your personal information and everything that EaseMoni loan app will request from you. So what you should do if you want to get loan from EaseMoni app, now you already know what EaseMoni app. EaseMoni loan app is a digital bank finance app that provide loan for each user. So if you want to know how to get loan from EaseMoni, all you have to do, if you are an Android user, you go to Google Play Store, search for EaseMoni loan app, and you're going to find the official account, download and install and set up. If you're an iPhone user, go to the Apple App Store, search for EaseMoni app and download it. I don't think it is available for iPhone, or you can check that out if I'm using an Android phone. So download the EaseMoni app, sign in, create an account, and then fill in your required information, fill in the verification needed, and you'll be able to get into the EaseMoni loan app, have access to the loan. So what are we going to talk about in this video? We're going to be explaining more on if Easy Loan app is legit, if Easy Loan app is registered by NDCI, if Easy Money Loan app is approved by CBN. Now, if you are following this channel, if you are a subscriber, if you are not a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's be the community here and more. So, but if you are a subscriber, or even though you have not subscribed, I have watched my subsequent video about loan app on this loan app series, or this loan app playlist we have on this channel, I talk about the list of fake loan app. I talk about the list of a lot of fake loan app. I want to talk about OPay and many other financial services. So I've for me not to give you an half information, I ensure I provide a lot of information about this loan and the other digital finance app. So after I talk about the fake loan app in Nigeria, something came to my mind for me to give also some about review some about some legit loan app. Though I have not actually used most of this loan app, But from public review that I've gotten so far for my research, I also discovered some legit ones I could share with you if you need loan urgently. So EaseMoni came among the list of the one I discovered. That's what I'm talking about, the EaseMoni loan app today. So EaseMoni is legit in terms of it's approved by CBN, and it is licensed by NDCIC, and EaseMoni loan app is legit. Yes, it is legit. So it's a popular loan app. So next thing you want to know is this. Now you know it's legit, now you know that it's approved by CBN. What you should know is how it works. So how does EaseMoni loan app work? To borrow money from okay, how to borrow loan from EaseMoni app, how to where to download the app, how much is EaseMoni loan app limit, EaseMoni loan app requirement, how to repay EaseMoni loan app, how to delete the EaseMoni app. So how to borrow money from easy loan app? How to borrow money from easy loan app, you have to download and install the easy money loan app, create an account, fill in all verification, and you'll be able to like have access to borrow loan from EaseMoni. So but what is there is this, the amount of or the limit of amount you can be able to borrow from EaseMoni app, EaseMoni loan app, is as your step or as you repay each of the previous one you have borrowed. That this will enable you have access to higher loan threshold. Now for example, you borrow 2,000, if you're able to pay 2,001 on the loan with the interest rate, EaseMoni will also upgrade your account to be able to borrow up to 5,000 or thereabout, depending on how the platform work. Do check out that, read the policy and terms condition of the loan app. The next thing is where to download EaseMoni app. For now I talk about you going to Google Play Store and going to Apple App Store if you're an Apple user. So please do ensure to download this app from these sources. If you try to go and maneuver and download this app from maybe any third party website or anywhere, be ensured and know that you can actually download the fake loan, the fake EaseMoni loan app, and you get scam and you think that it's EaseMoni that scammed you. Yeah, people do actually, or some hackers or programmer can be able to go and clone kind of EaseMoni loan app, give it the same name, and make you pretend to make you know to download it, so that they will get scammed you and EaseMoni loan app will start having a bad name. So what they have is the EaseMoni loan limit. So depending on your account, depending on how you are be able to repay your loan so far, that's when you know your EaseMoni loan limit, that you can, the maximum amount of limit you can borrow and the minimum amount of money you cannot borrow. So the what are the requirement? The requirement is just to fill in your details, add the verification, address verification, and many stuff depending on the country you are. This money is basically for Nigeria, yeah. So depending on how your account status is, depending on the requirement they're going to ask for you, and depending on the year you're watching this video, depending on the year you install the app. So maybe for the first time when they launch, the verification and the requirements is kind of easy than now that they become popular. So just try to know how the what is the requirement from your app settings of what you are doing. So you can comment. So if probably you know the other settings they ask you, which I don't make mention of, maybe because basically the settings that this financial app will ask you of is one, your full name, email address, password, phone number, BVN, utilities bills, and other verification your bank other apps do ask of you. So but if you feel that this are not the verification they ask you or more than this, you can leave a comment of the verification they asked you to help me update and include more information next time I'm talking about this app. Thank you very much. So the next one is how to repay easy loan app. So the way you borrow the easy loan app, when you download and install the app and you're able to to borrow the loan from the request for loan from the EaseMoni loan app. That same way you're able to fund your loan easy EaseMoni loan app account, and they will debit from your or the method they provided for you to pay with your credit card or whatever you method you provide for to get paid. It's also the same method you use to pay you pay EaseMoni loan app. So what is the last on our list now? How to delete EaseMoni loan app. Yes, okay. I made a post about how to remove your BVN from OPay and thereabout on one of my sites, which I will drop the link in the description below. But this since we are talking about the EaseMoni loan app, now how to delete the EaseMoni loan app. Most of these apps do not allow you to initially initiate delete on their account, but probably you can check on the settings. Go to the settings and know if you're able to delete the app and delete the your account. But if you're unable to delete it, just delete the app on your phone. You have permanently deleted the account, or go to your email and request and contact the EaseMoni loan app that you want to permanently close your account. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe, because I'm going to make more research, go in details how to tips, more guides on personal finance, loan, business, and tech tutorial tips. So please subscribe to this channel. Let's go community here, as I improve, as I go, so as our community large and we all gain from this platform. So my name is James. So I'm James from DoSuggest Limited. So wish to see you next time. Till I come your way next time. For now, peace out.